Every woodworker knows the frustration of starting a project only to discover they're lacking the essential tool. It's a common scenario, whether you're just starting out or you've been at it for years. That's exactly why we searched for genuinely useful equipment, tools that deliver cleaner cuts, more accurate measurements, and an overall better workflow. We've compiled 15 clever woodworking tools every smart woodworker needs, perfect for furniture building or those weekend DIY projects. Let's explore them and discover which ones belong in your workshop.
Drilling angled holes with precision is one of woodworking's trickiest tasks, but the Kreg Drill Guide Pro makes it simple and repeatable. The guide lets you set and lock any angle from 45 degrees to 90 degrees to 45 degrees, and once dialed in, you can move the jig freely while drilling consistent holes all day. An integrated depth stop ensures every hole goes exactly as deep as you want, while non-slip feet and a convenient handle keep the setup steady. For narrow stock, the underside centering guide positions holes perfectly in the middle, and the built-in V-groove secures round pieces so nothing shifts. Add in a dust collection adapter to keep your workspace clean, and you've got a tool built for control and consistency, the qualities that separate amateur results from professional-grade joinery.
Precision curves and detailed cuts often come at the cost of fatigue and control. But the Kreg 20V Ionic Drive Jigsaw changes that equation. Its compact barrel grip design keeps you close to the cut, giving natural visibility and control without fighting the tool. Auto mode speed control starts slow for clean entry, then ramps up automatically for faster progress, while variable speeds and 4 orbital settings let you tailor the action to any material. Switching blades is quick thanks to a lever action release, and dual LED lights illuminate the cut line. A vacuum port and dust blower keep the workspace clear, which directly improves accuracy. Thoughtful ergonomics reduce strain, making long sessions more manageable. For woodworkers who demand precision without compromise, this jigsaw delivers performance that matches its smart design philosophy. Squaring drawers and boxes often feels like a battle with clamps, but Rockler's Square It box squaring clamp turns it into a simple, controlled process. Using a ratcheting mechanism with cast aluminum corner brackets and a 7-foot non-stretch nylon strap, it pulls assemblies into square without crushing corners. The pivoting brackets feature non-marring roller posts that fit over opposing corners, and because they don't cover the joint, you can see and measure your work clearly. Setup is intuitive. Fit the brackets on the longer diagonal, wind the mechanism, and watch the box snap into alignment. A flip-open interior arm lets you apply extra torque, while the removable knob prevents interference with measuring tools. The orange release lever allows incremental pressure adjustments for fine-tuning. For woodworkers tired of clamps slipping or damaging corners, this is an elegant solution that delivers accuracy and ease.
Routing demands consistency and control, and Bosch's GLF 18V-8 Professional delivers both with cordless freedom and corded level performance. Powered by a brushless motor, it maintains constant speed under load, so cutting depth stays stable even through dense material. That translates to cleaner edges, smoother grooves, and professional quality results every time. A smart cooling ventilation system keeps the tool from overheating during long sessions, letting you work comfortably without interruptions. The improved clamp system with a metal sleeve extends collet life, making this router a long-term investment that rewards careful use. At just 18V, it's compact yet powerful, ideal for edge trims, deep profiles, and precision joinery. For woodworkers who rely on routing regularly, this is the cordless solution that finally matches the promise of corded reliability with modern mobility. Woodworkers often struggle with bulky saws when making quick crosscuts, but Ryobi's 18V 1+ circular saw solves that problem with lightweight, one-handed operation. Perfect for tight spaces or overhead work, it cuts through 2x lumber effortlessly and delivers over 300 cuts per battery charge. The 0 to 45 degree bevel adjustment adds versatility for angled projects, while the compact design reduces fatigue during extended use. Unlike many cordless saws that leave users chasing battery life or fighting underpowered motors, this model balances runtime and cutting strength. As part of Ryobi's massive ONE+ ecosystem, compatible with 300+ tools, your batteries work across the lineup, adding real value. Whether you're in the shop, on a job site, or tackling homeowner projects, this circular saw combines portability, simplicity, and performance in a way that makes sense for everyday woodworking tasks. Belt sanders are often bulky and hard to control, but Makita's 40V Max XGT changes that reputation. Designed for serious material removal, its 3-inch wide belt runs up to 1,540 feet per minute, delivering aggressive sanding without wearing you out. Variable speed control lets you dial down to 390 FPM for delicate finishing or crank it up for fast removal, while the auto tracking system keeps the belt aligned without constant adjustments. Compared to corded models, it sands 20% faster, yet keeps the cordless convenience of the XGT platform. The adjustable front grip allows flush sanding against walls, and the balanced design distributes weight evenly for comfort during long sessions. An integrated LED light eliminates shadows, showing exactly where the belt is working. For pros and DIYers alike, this sander combines power, precision, and usability in one smart package. Tight spaces and overhead work often make traditional drills frustrating, but Milwaukee's M12 Subcompact Brushless Drill is built for those exact situations. Measuring just 5.4 inches long and weighing under 2 pounds with a battery, it's the most compact and lightest drill in its class, yet it doesn't sacrifice power. With 350 inch-pounds of torque and speeds up to 1,550 RPM, it handles drilling and fastening tasks with ease. The premium metal chuck eliminates wobble, while Milwaukee's Red Link Intelligence protects the battery from overload and extends its life. Woodworkers tackling retrofit projects or repairs appreciate how the efficient brushless motor delivers more drives per charge, and the compact design makes overhead work genuinely manageable. For anyone needing a drill that fits where others can't, this M12 proves small size can still mean big performance. Festool's reputation for detail shows in the HKC 55K, and cordless saw engineered for precision and safety. Its brushless EC Tech motor spins at 5,200 RPM, powered by an 8.0 AH battery pack that delivers corded-level cutting performance. Thin-cut blades reduce kerf to just 1.6 millimeters, saving material and extending battery life with each pass. Safety is front and center with kickback stop, which actively prevents bind and throw incidents, while the pendulum hood, remote, and spring-assisted plunge cut function make cross-cutting comfortable and controlled. Whether you're on a roof or working at ground level, the saw provides the flexibility pros need. Paired with the FSK cross-cutting guide rail, it transforms into a mobile system capable of precise angled cuts anywhere. For professionals, it combines serious power with workshop-grade accuracy in a portable package. Reinforcing mitered corners while adding decorative flair used to be tricky, but Rockler's corner key doweling jig makes it simple and repeatable. Clamping directly to your box corner, it guides an extended drill bit through the joint at a precise 45-degree angle to both sides. The resulting holes accept dowels, metal rods, or even leather cord, creating visible oval patterns that add strength and impact. Unlike hidden splines, these contrasting dowels become a design feature, turning reinforcement into decoration. The jig adapts to different stock thicknesses and includes interchangeable guides for 1/8, 1/4, and 3/8 inch dowels. Once set, you can reposition it and clamp it for consistent results across multiple corners. A clear alignment window and molded reference lines speed up setup, ensuring accuracy every time. For box makers and furniture builders, this is a clever solution that blends durability with visual impact.
Routers are essential, but full-size models can overwhelm smaller workspaces. Ryobi's 18V ONE+ HP brushless compact router solves that by delivering serious cutting power in a streamlined form. The HP technology provides enough muscle to cut hardwoods efficiently, which is impressive for a compact design. Built with die-cast construction, it feels solid and resists flex under pressure, while the micro-adjust dial gives precise depth control for repeatable, accurate cuts. Ryobi emphasizes precision over brute force, a philosophy that suits most woodworkers who value control. As part of the One Plus system, it shares battery compatibility with hundreds of tools, adding real convenience. Whether you're edge trimming, grooving, profiling, or working with templates, this router keeps your workspace open and accessible while still delivering professional quality results. It's a compact solution that balances usability, durability, and accuracy. For woodworkers who need full router capability without the cord, Makita's 40V Max XGT plunge router delivers serious power in a lighter package. With 2¼ HP output, it cuts up to 260 linear feet per charge, real runtime for real projects, while weighing up to 30% less than corded models. The plunge capacity reaches 3/8 of an inch, giving fine depth adjustment for precision joinery. A soft start ensures smooth, controlled startups, while the soft brake prevents material damage when shutting down. Built on a durable aluminum base, it offers accuracy and long-term reliability. The AWS wireless system connects via Bluetooth to compatible dust extractors, eliminating cords and activating collection only when needed. For professionals tackling heavy routing tasks, this tool combines corded-level performance with cordless freedom, making it a powerhouse solution for serious woodworking. Accurate measurements are the backbone of woodworking, and Woodpecker's CalZilla turns their precision rules into powerful calipers. The system uses jaws that mount with 2 machine screws into pre-threaded awls on any woodpecker's rule. The fixed jaw aligns perfectly at 0, while the sliding jaw glides on UHMW strips and locks securely with a Delrin mechanism that won't mar the anodized aluminum. Inside measuring tips match the outside jaws exactly, so you can measure grooves and cut matching tongues with confidence. For layout work, the included hole center attachments clamp to the jaws, letting you measure center-to-center distances between holes with pinpoint accuracy. Every piece is machined and inspected in Ohio to tight tolerances, reflecting true American craftsmanship. For demanding woodworkers chasing flawless joinery, CalZilla adds capability and precision that elevate everyday measuring tasks. Box joints deliver strength and beauty, but they demand perfect setup. Jessam's box joint jig removes the frustration by providing precision right out of the box. Riding on 4R4 bearings, it glides smoothly across your router table with 0 binding, while 3 interchangeable indexing keys, 1/4 inch, 3/8 of an inch, and 1/2 inch match your bit sizes for versatile joinery. 3 Baltic birch fences provide rock-solid support and alignment, and with 4.25 inches of travel, you get full access to your router lift for easy bit height changes and secure locking. Safety is built in with an adjustable bit guard that keeps your workpiece steady. For added flexibility, the integrated dovetail slot is match-fit compatible, letting you use micro-jig clamping systems. When the project's done, the jig mounts neatly on the wall for smart storage. It's precision joinery made simple. Flush trim bits are essential for pattern work, but standard sizes struggle in tight inside corners. Woodpecker's Ultra Shear 3/16 micro-bearing flush trim bits solve that problem with a compact diameter designed for fine detail. Instead of a single pilot, they use dual ball bearings that glide smoothly around intricate shapes, giving secure purchase against your template. These are genuine ball bearings, not brass bushings, so they roll cleanly and deliver the precision you need. Spiral cutting geometry slices fibers cleanly and directs chips away from the cut line, improving accuracy and finish. Available in cut lengths of 3/8 of an inch, 9/16, and 3/4 of an inch, they cover a range of applications from delicate inlays to detailed boxwork. Made in Ohio from micrograin carbide, ground with ultra-fine wheels, they reflect true American quality and craftsmanship for demanding woodworkers. Full-size sanders struggle with detail work, but the Polywell Micro Sander is built for precision in tight spaces. Measuring just 3.5 inches, it fits comfortably under your index finger with a polyurethane foam body that's ergonomic and easy to control. Despite its size, it flexes into corners and small projects while still covering larger areas quickly, reducing fatigue during extended sanding sessions. The kit includes 5 grit options:
80, 120, 180, 240, and 400, so you can move seamlessly from rough shaping to final polish. High-performance aluminum oxide sandpaper is clearly marked for easy identification, and the hook and loop design makes grit changes instant without tools. For detail sanding, crevices, and corners where traditional sanders fall short, this compact solution delivers comfort, versatility, and accuracy, making it a must-have for fine woodworking and finishing tasks. That wraps up our list of 15 smart woodworking tools, each one designed to make projects cleaner, faster, and a whole lot easier. If you enjoyed this roundup, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tool reviews and comparisons, and drop a comment to tell us which tool you're most excited to add to your setup. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.